Hello everyone. The internet has positive as well as negative impacts on the children. It is the responsibility of parents to monitor their kids. There is no way you can sleep peacefully doubting that your kid may be talking to someone stranger online during night. In this video, I am going to introduce KidsGuard Pro for Android. This parenting app helps you to monitor kids and their activity on their smartphone. I will leave a link in description and pin comment if you wanna check. This application is compatible with every Android operating system and works perfectly everywhere in the world. This helps you to keep your children safe from harmful activities and cyberbullying. You will be glad to know that KidsGuard Pro supports both of the popular and most used operating system, that is Android and iOS in the smartphones. Along with that, it doesn't require the smartphone to be rooted or jailbroken for its optimal working. It will also work flawlessly even if you have rooted Android device or jailbroken iPhone. KidsGuard Pro is supported on a wide variety of Android phones running on Android version 4.0, while iOS devices it is compatible with iOS versions 9 and above. For this review, we performed the test on Honor 4X that is running on Android Lollipop. Now we look at KidsGuard Pro installation and setting up device. Before we can begin with monitoring the smartphone of your loved ones, you need to have KidsGuard Pro account. To do so, you need to visit KidsGuard Pro official website to create an account. Now depending upon target device, you can make a choice between Android, iOS or iCloud. In our case, we have chosen Android. After selecting the target device, you will need to click the Buy Now button. Once you have clicked the Buy Now button, you will need to select plan based on your requirement. Now depending upon your plan, you will need to make the payment. Upon successful payment, you will be provided by login details on your email that will be required at the KidsGuard Pro login page. To log in, head over to the official website and click on the login button. Next, you will be need to input details that you received in your email and click on sign in. After logging into your account, you will see KidsGuard Pro for operating system you choose in step 1. In this case, as we have selected Android, so that's why we have options for setting up Android. On My Products and Order Management, you need to click the setup guide to proceed with the installation of KidsGuard Pro on the target device you want to monitor. Having physical access to the smartphone or tablet is essential for installing KidsGuard Pro on the target Android device. Physical access is necessary in order to install the app and give it permissions to access the phone's data and apps for complete and successful monitoring. Now we head up to disabling Google Play Protect on the target device. It is required as the Play Protect runs and checks for harmful apps, and if not disabled, you will get unnecessary notifications. To disable Play Protect, you will need to open Play Store and tap on the hamburger icon at the top left. You will see a bunch of settings. From there, select Play Protect. From there, you need to toggle off scan apps with Play Protect. After disabling it, you will see a pop-up labeled Turn Off App Scanning. Press Turn Off. By following the above steps correctly, you have disabled the Play Protect on the target device. Next is downloading and installing KidsGuard Pro on Android device. To download the KidsGuard Pro app on the target phone, you have to open any browser and in the address bar, type this address and hit enter. I will also leave this link in the description box. This time around you will not get any warning and the installation will begin. Now press the install button. On the next screen, you will need to enter the details of your KidsGuard Pro account and then tap sign in. The next step is to disable Play Protect. As we have already disabled it in the beginning, press already set. After that, you will receive a pop-up, press yes to continue. Next again tap on the proceed to settings to enable accessibility. Under accessibility, you will find system update service. You need to change the status from off to on so that you can monitor the updates of the target device instantly. After toggling it, you will receive a pop-up where you will have to press OK. Enable system update service. Activate administrator's access. Don't show again and then press start now. Finally tap on start monitoring. By following all above steps correctly, you will have successfully installed KidsGuard Pro and you are now ready to monitor the target device remotely. After signing into your account, you will arrive at the dashboard. That is the entry point on the portal. On the dashboard, you can view account and order information along with the device information like battery level, GPS, and status of the device, etc. Along with the device information on the dashboard, you can see calls, messages, and last known locations. Clicking on the top 8 calls and top 8 messages will reveal calls and messages on the basis of duration and interaction on the target device. So you will get to know with whom your teen is communicating and how much. With KidsGuard Pro, keeping track of the latest known location of your spouse is also possible. Along with location, it also updates the visited time as well as the address of the locality. On the left side of the portal, you will see the Phone Files tab. Under this, the categories of the different file types of the target device are shown. That is call logs, messages, contacts, browser history, and are some of them. With the Data Expert feature, you can download the spied content of your loved ones. All the data in the form of call logs, messages, contacts, browser history, social apps, etc. can be locally shared within just a few clicks. Keeping a copy of a complete data can be a lifesaver. If something wrong happens on their website, then your data will not be lost. You will get complete protection of your loved ones. As soon as the app is up and running, you will start receiving the updates within seconds in the form of text as well as screenshots. KidsGuard APK is developed and intended for parents only, so it is safe until and unless you are using it for your kids, but you cannot use it for illegal and unethical purposes. If you are interested, then you can download the app right from the description link and pinned comment. Please drop a like and share this video with your family and friends. That will be highly appreciated. If you have any question, leave your comment below. Click on the red subscribe button for more videos, and I will see you in the next one. Have a great day.